Good day, mates. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of the Persian alphabet. Let's kick things off with the first letter, Aleph. It looks like an upside-down T and sounds like the A in car. Next up, we have B, which resembles a B and is pronounced like the B in book. Moving along, we come to PE, which is similar to a P and is pronounced like the P in potato. Then, we have Tay, which looks like a T and sounds like the T in table. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now, onto Say, which looks like an S and is pronounced like the S in sun. Following that, we have Che, resembling a CH and sounding like the CH in cheese. Keep up the great work. Next in line is a Hair, which looks like an H and is pronounced like the H in hello. Then, we have K, similar to a KH and sounding like the KH in the Scottish word lock. Fantastic job so far. Let's continue with Dal, which looks like a D and sounds like the D in dog. After that, we have a Zal, resembling a Z and pronounced like the Z in zebra. You're doing amazing. Moving forward, we have a Re, which looks like an R and sounds like the R in rain. Then, we come to ZE, similar to a Z and pronounced like the Z in zero. Keep practicing those sounds. Lastly, we have Ja, which looks like a ZH and sounds like the S in measure. Remember, practice, practice, practice. You're on your way to mastering the Persian alphabet. Keep it up and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, happy learning.